Never punch in a street fight. Wrong. Because people punch in bar fights, street fights, parking lot fights, and fights everywhere every single day. And many never seriously injure their hands. Why? Bone density, genetics, conditioning, knowing how to hit, and sometimes luck. But yes, I have seen beginners, black belts, and professional fighters suffer boxers' fractures and sprained wrists because people move. 1 second, you're hitting their jaw. The next second, you're hitting their forehead, their teeth, or an elbow. And how about body punches? A shovel hook to the liver, a rear hand to the solar plexus, punches to the floating ribs. A good body shot can shut the system down. And then there's fist loads. A lighter, a palm stick, or a tactical flashlight. This can increase support, penetration, and damage. But the more damage you create, the greater the chance of legal consequences. Now, yes, in Full Circle Fighting System, we recognize that open hand strikes to the skull can be safer for the hands. The old saying, soft hits hard, hard hits soft, can absolutely hold truth. But reality doesn't work in absolutes. Avoid what you can, survive what you can't.